Want to transfer your earnings from Pocket Option straight to your bank account? This video will guide you step by step through the entire process. Don't skip any part. One missed detail can delay your withdrawal. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Pocket Option website and sign into your account. Step 2. On the left-hand menu, click Finance, then select Withdrawal. Step 3. Now fill in all the necessary information, including the amount, payment method, and your bank account number. Step 4. After double-checking your information, click Continue. Your request will now be processed and the funds should appear in your bank account soon. Bonus tip: make sure your bank account name matches your Pocket Option profile to avoid any rejection or delay in your withdrawal. And that's the easiest way to withdraw your money from Pocket Option to your bank account. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor. We've got more practical guides coming your way every week. See you next time!